The Goodman E4 error code signals a high discharge temperature protection fault in your HVAC system, specifically your air conditioner or heat pump. This protective measure activates when the compressor's discharge line gets too hot, typically exceeding 250 degrees Fahrenheit or 121 degrees Celsius. This is designed to prevent severe damage like compressor failure or system overheating. The underlying issue often relates to inefficient heat transfer or refrigerant problems. Think of it like a safety switch that shuts things down before a major breakdown occurs. Addressing this promptly is crucial to avoid further complications and costly repairs. This error is still common in residential and light commercial HVAC systems, even with newer models. Several factors can trigger the E4 error. Start by checking for simple causes like a dirty or blocked condenser coil. Cleaning this can drastically improve airflow and heat dissipation. Look at the difference cleaning makes. Next, verify the condenser fan is functioning correctly, as a faulty fan reduces cooling. Low refrigerant charge, often due to leaks, is a frequent culprit. Manifold gauges should read approximately 250 to 350 psi suction and 200 to 300 psi discharge. In newer R410A systems, undercharging significantly increases E4 risk. For safety and warranty reasons, refrigerant work should only be done by certified technicians. Consider preventive measures like regular maintenance and filter replacements to minimize the chances of this error recurring. If problems persist after checking these items, consult a qualified HVAC professional.